it's your girl Nikki, and today we're gonna play Airplane Story. Welcome back! But if you're new here, then welcome to this channel full of weirdos. By the weirdos, I mean me. My YouTubers are not weirdos, they're amazing people. They're amazing, wonderful people. I love them. By the way, I was hoping that by the end of this year, I can get at least like, what the hell? I was hoping I could get like 20 subscribers. What in the? Did she just die? I was hoping I can get 20 subscribers. 20 is a lot, but it'll make me happy. Okay, so I'm F14. F14. Wait, what? Where the hell's F14 again? Nope, I don't know. 14. Oh wait, yeah, this is my seat. 14, 14, and F. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 3072. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. Above sea level. The weather looks good, which means feel free to explore the airplane. No, I'm just gonna stay in my seat, thank you very much. Most of the people are sitting in their seats. Oh my god, I'm sitting in economy. Well, actually it's not that bad to sit in economy. Hello. I need to practice my captain voice. Feel free to explore the airplane. Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. God, they got to sit in first class. Hello, Sweet Pea. Oh my god, Sweet Pea looks so... Wait, why is she in economy? Shouldn't she be in first class? Like business or something? Oh god. Woohoo. Is the turbulence over yet? Thank you for your cooperation. I'm just gonna stay in my seat just in case. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Okay, someone's gonna have to be allergic to something. I hope it's not me, or Sweet Pea, or anyone in a matter of case. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy! By the way, what up? Okay, I just ate my sandwiches straight up. I know someone's gonna have to be allergic to something, so give me another one. I'm in the cut. Excuse me. Wow, first class looks awesome. Why couldn't I be in first class? Yeah, this sucks. Bye. Whee. Oh, shut up. God. I'm not feeling very well. ... Wait, this sandwich has mayo. Oh no, quickly. We need to find the nasty grim Lord Kev's 26. Wait, what the hell is happening? Oh, he found his own medicine. Okay, that was fast. Very fast, in fact. Okay, that was weird. Phew, that was a close one. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you that, oh my god, well, let me speak. This thing's going too fast. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. Okay. We still have a few hours to go. A few hours till death. Okay, where is he? Where's the guy? I have seen the stories. No, the videos. Because I I've seen the videos before. I've seen it on YouTube. Okay, it's right there. It's right there. Uh-oh, it appears that we've lost energy. Hang on, as we try to fix it. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? I'm gonna get away. I might just stand right next to Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea is gonna, not survive. You shall not pass. Are those snakes? Oh God, scan on trash. She looks like she would be like the popular girl in the school. Oh God, oh no. I don't have Robux to afford. Gapster, what are you doing? Stand over here with us. Get away from us. Sandstorge, are you afraid or not? Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly. Come on, let me in. Oh, I need to go to the toilet. Do you guys mind not looking? Okay, is everyone here? Wait, we're missing one more person. There were 5 of us. Come on. I think the other one died. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. I don't know. NYP. So is anyone gonna talk? Or yeah, I'm just gonna go. Okay, I fell asleep on the toilet apparently. Okay, I'm gonna just go back to my seat. Power's back up. Power is back up. I wanna give her like a bratty-ish voice. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Now I need to... The creature in the wing is also gone. Creepy. Yeah, creepy. Very creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. What is the good news? The good news, it is the power back up. The bad news, it is that we're losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop from over your seats. Take one quick. Come on. Gimme. Okay, I got one. Guys, get one. Anyway, this mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. What is this? It looks like a bomb. It looks like a bomb. Oh no! What are we going to do? Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save Gamer Girl my username. Let's go. Come on. Yes, thank you, Nasty Grim Lord Kev 27. Which cable should I cut? I don't know. Oh God, I'm gonna die. I'm going to die, aren't I? Just kill me already. As I thought. Back to lobby. Well, I have to do this story over again, so I'm just gonna stop the recording for a while, and I'll come back once once we. Okay, guys, I'm back. It took a little while. Oh my God! Why am I also the bomb? Cut the blue wire. Cut the blue one. Cut the blue one. Cut the blue one. Unlucky! The blue one, the blue one, the blue one. This really sucks. I'll see you guys in a couple more minutes or hours. Hello everyone, I'm back. Why is it always me with the bomb? Why is it always me with the bomb? God damn it! I hate having the bomb. I found the damn scissors. Which one should I cut? Blue. Yes! Yes, Queen, yes! To the end of the story, and you guys don't have to keep waiting for me anymore. Where's my bestie? My bestie and your bestie. Where the hell's my bestie? Oh, there you are, my bestie. We haven't heard. Good more. Keep on with it. Your bestie and my bestie and your bestie. No wrong thing. Let's go to the captain's down. My bestie and your bestie. La da 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 da. I'm sorry that you guys have to hear me sing. Look at this first class seating though. Damn. They probably should be. They should be okay. I hope. Nothing here in the captain. I don't see the flight attendants or the crew. I found them. They're unconscious. Oh, no, no, no. We have to alert the captain. Okay, follow me. The captain's in me. We need to alert the It's locked. Yeah, it's locked. I should be doing... Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Oh, sorry, I meant... Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up! Don't be such poopy pants, dude. I don't know. Can we find it? No, nothing here. I keep smacking myself in the face with the curtains. Asteroid is fun. Come on, let's go. Let's try to open these drawers. Oh yeah, 2895. My bestie, your bestie. Where's the thing? Oh, what the hell? No, 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 no. What the hell's my bestie? It's the damn creature. Yeah, you're freaking right. Okay, there you are, bestie. I'm just gonna... You will pay for what you've done. We've done nothing. What are you talking about, sir? You think you are here on accident, but you're not. I brought you here, all of you. So you brought us here by fate? Oh wow, that's cool. I met my bestie by fate. That is not possible. Oh, are you that person that sent me the money? That sent me the message about me going to Mexico? It is, and now it's time to die. No, you die. We should probably stop running. Run. Run! My bestie and your bestie. Press buttons. I'm trying to press buttons. Boom, boom, boom. Da, da, da. Come on, come on. Okay, I'll try to click every button I can. Come on. Okay, I found the button instantly. I keep finding this stuff. Headless. So me and my bestie are brought here by fate. We did it! We saved the plane! Well, that's what we think. It has been a crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Me too, but me too. Captain, wake up before I smack you with my shoe. Don't know. Don't know. We found an emergency phone. Yay! This is so boring. I'm not even showing that much expression. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Imagine if it's the monster. Don't worry. We will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? No, half of us are dead. Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we traced our location and we're taking control. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Hey. Don't worry, I hit this one following. Okay, it's me, isn't it? Yay! Woohoo! But now I have to take care of the damn plane. Okay, everyone. I got this. No, I don't. I have never learned how to drive. I am just a kid. A child. Immature. Not mature. Oh, no, 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 no. The demon. Get away from me. Get away from me. Maybe if I say it here. Get away from me. Get away from me. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance, gamer girl. 4615J. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. No. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane.
No, Nikki.
What did you do? Rai, why would you do that? I'm gonna... Mwah, ha ha ha. Oh god, I'm gonna die, aren't I?
Yep, you press drop.
It's gone. I'm stuck. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. Oh wait, let's just punch the damn thing. Who cares? Let's get back home now. Let's go back home. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yes, I got a good badge because I didn't want to drown anything. And since Headless was there, I was able to make the right decision. Yes, queen. Yes, queen, yes. Slay. Woo! Well, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.